Thanks, Grainne. Thanks, Marriage Equality. It's come to the end. Thank you all so much for coming. If you give a big thank you to Darren, our interpreter for today. If you'd like to get involved with Noise, we campaign on nearly all LGBT rights issues. So go onto our website and join us on Facebook, join our mailing list. A couple of other thank yous for people today. We'd like to thank Panty Bar and the Front Lounge, where the after parties are going to be. We'd like to thank the Gardaí. Thank you very much. We'd like to thank Outhouse, Yelp, Peter Clifford, GCN, Imelda and Stephanie who helped us out during the week. We'd like to thank Brian Kennedy, Alan Hughes, Carl Broderick, Danny O'Reilly and Laura Whitmore, and everybody else who has supported us over the last few years. Oh, and Masashi. Great sushi. Free advertising. Thank you so much for coming. See you again next year. I hope next year will be the last year we have to do this.